Hey, I'm Mikaton. Today, I'll walk you through a simple step-by-step tutorial on how to draw Tanjiro's eye. Let's get started. Step 1. Build the eye shape. Use light, thin lines with a hard pencil, like H or HB. Remember, Tanjiro's eyes are not a perfect circle. Step 2. Add the pupils. Keep the proportions right from the start so the focus doesn't shift. Don't make the lines smooth like in other animations. This has its own style. Step 3. Sketch the highlights. Place all highlights on the same side. It makes the eye look more realistic. Step 4. Draw eyelids and eyelashes. Add the upper and lower eyelids and some thin lashes. Step 5. Clean up extra lines. Carefully erase any construction lines. Only the important ones should stay. Step 6. Outline and darken. Use a soft pencil like B to B4 to darken the outlines and give depth. My pencil is B4, suitable for filling in the darkest areas. Step 7. Add shadows. Don't skip this. Shadows plus highlights bring the eye to life. Make shadows with a smooth transition from dark to light or vice versa. Control the friction force of the pencil. When you're drawing both eyes, keep this in mind. In most anime styles, the space between the eyes is about the width of one eye. It's a common rule. But yeah, some styles do break it. That's it. Super simple, right? You've got this. Good luck! And hey, don't forget to subscribe.